What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox Comica Professional Audio Equipment CVM V30 Lite Condenser Light Microphone. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks, unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. So as you can see, this is for your camera if you have a vlogging needs, for your DJI Osmo Pocket, maybe for your DSLR if you're a vlogger or maybe a YouTuber and you need a mic for your YouTube channel. And this is a best mic, one of the best mics that you can get out there for a fairly cheap price as well. It says here low self noise, super anti-interference, self cardioid, excellent shock absorbing. So we can test some of those and we'll see if this is worth the expense, right? I think this is about $53 Canadian on Amazon. So you can just go ahead and check that out. I'll link that down in the description below. So this is the frequency and other specifications. Let's go ahead and open it up now. Cut the back of this. Now for the most part, maybe one day you guys can send me a knife so I'll be able to unbox my boxes a lot easier instead of using my nails. There you go. So if you want to send me anything, I'll send you the PO box. Just comment down below. So here we go. Let's open it up. Let's throw that out. Don't need that. As you can see here, there's some literature right here. Right there. Let's put that on the side for now. Some card as well. Comica. It's pretty cool. Premium literatures here, so QR codes for their social media. Go ahead and check them out for a lot more bigger booms for more professional things. To be able to do that. There's a warranty card. We don't need that anymore. Let's put that on the side. All we care about is to open this. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Put those on the side. Probably don't need this. We'll put that on the side as well. Don't need that. And there you go. So all we're looking at is this boom mic. So it's pretty nice. Pretty nice design. For me, I like the style of this mic. It's quite big as well compared to our Rode Micro. We've been using Rode Micro for quite some time now, and this is a mic that is quite different. It has a different foam type of protection here for no noise cancelling. It has a longer boom as well, as you could see there. You'll be able to pick up a lot of sound, a lot of quality sounds from that. There you go. This is pretty flexible as well. This is attached to the back only right here. And then on the back here, you'll see a little wire connected to your phone. You don't need a different cable for a smartphone or a camera. All you need to do is flip it to wherever device you're using. That's pretty handy. So now let's go ahead and test it out, our boom mic. What we will do is we'll record on our voice memo first without the boom mic, and then we're gonna go ahead and attach this to our phone. So here we go. This is a sound test without the boom mic. Now let's go ahead and attach it to our phone. Same spot as well, just leave it on the desk. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just stand it up. So make sure before we do anything, we're on the smartphone side right there, so you guys can see. So now I'm just gonna attach it like that. And let's try it. This is a sound test for Comica boom mic. There you go. Let's see the difference now. This is the boom mic. Sound test for Comica boom mic. Let's go ahead with without it. This is a sound test without the boom mic. So as you can see the difference there, there's a lot of background noise without having the boom mic attached to your camera slash iPhone or smartphone that you're using. So basically, the boom mic helps a lot on the background noise. Let's say if you're vlogging outside and there's a lot of wind, you'll be able to eliminate all that using this boom mic from Comica. I really recommend this mic for everyone who don't want to spend $100 for a boom mic or for an external microphone for your vlogging needs. If you're if you're starting your YouTube channel and you don't want to spend too much on your equipment yet, you can go ahead and buy this, and this is sufficient enough so that you'll be able to start off your YouTube channel. This boom mic is good enough for if you're doing cinematic shots, or maybe even you're doing a news outside or inside. You'll be able to use this in every situation out there. And that's it. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing slash small review for Comica boom mic. I'll be doing more of this video as well for the Comica and test it out on different situations, like in the windy outside or something like that. We'll be able to test that out in the next video, but for now this is just a quick one to unbox it and to just kind of like a small review for it. And that's it, a small test, a quick test for it. I'll be doing more of the video as well, testing out on my camera, on my Pentax K5, and what's the difference between having it and not having it. Well, that's it for today, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well, so you can be notified of the next videos to come. I ask you to check out my merch below as well. I'm at 1130.ca. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!